Here are the secrets you don't know about IBRAHIM CHATTA, a celebrated Nollywood actor known primarily for his roles in Yoruba films. Despite his fame, there are some lesser-known aspects of his life and career. Before we continue, if you are watching us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified when we drop another video. 1. Early struggles and career start. CHATTA initially worked as a bus driver before venturing into acting. His journey began with stage performances and later transitioned to films, gaining fame with the movie Ayekuto. 2. Educational background. Interestingly, IBRAHIM only completed primary school. He openly shares that he pursued acting out of passion and determination, despite lacking formal qualifications. 3. Massive investment in Nollywood. One of his most ambitious projects is AN 1.4 billion Film Village in Oyo State. This facility, designed to support Nollywood productions, reflects his deep commitment to advancing the Nigerian film industry. The village blends modern infrastructure with traditional Yoruba designs. 4. Financial challenges and faith. During the COVID-19 pandemic, CHATTA raised funds for his film village through unconventional means, such as personalized shout-outs. He attributes his success to faith and reliance on God, emphasizing that he overcame financial hurdles through perseverance and divine timing. These insights highlight IBRAHIM CHATTA's resilience, creativity, and dedication to his craft and community. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks.